This video was created by the people at MOC1 Solutions, your trusted partner in intelligent business automation and a smart city technology. Today, we'll walk you through setting up the MOC1 Solutions Smart City Dashboard, a comprehensive platform that transforms urban management through AI-powered intelligence. The setup process begins with our intuitive installation wizard that guides you through each configuration step with precision and clarity. Configure your network settings, establish secure connections, and customize your dashboard preferences to match your city's specific operational requirements. The system seamlessly integrates data from multiple sources, including existing camera networks, sensors, and municipal databases. Advanced biometric recognition capabilities provide enhanced security and identification services for public safety applications. Integrated healthcare monitoring systems enable rapid emergency response and vital signs tracking for enhanced public health management. Comprehensive public safety features include real-time incident tracking, automated threat detection, and coordinated emergency response management. Real-time analytics provide actionable insights into traffic patterns, resource utilization, and citizen services optimization. Live monitoring capabilities transform your existing camera infrastructure into an intelligent surveillance network with automated analysis. Intelligent alert systems provide instant notifications for security threats, traffic incidents, and emergency situations requiring immediate attention. The intuitive user interface ensures easy navigation between modules, allowing operators to access critical information efficiently. Mobile integration ensures authorized personnel can access critical information and control systems from anywhere in the field. The system enhances operational efficiency, reduces risk response times, and improves coordination between different municipal departments. Advanced AI and machine learning capabilities provide predictive analytics, automated decision support, and continuous system optimization. Seamless integration with existing infrastructure eliminates the need for costly hardware replacements while maximizing current technology investments. Enterprise-grade security features protect sensitive data with multi-layer encryption, secure access controls, and comprehensive audit trails. Continuous performance monitoring ensures optimal system operation with detailed metrics and automated optimization recommendations. Extensive customization options allow each city to tailor the dashboard to their specific operational needs and organizational structure. Comprehensive training resources ensure your team can maximize the system's capabilities with interactive tutorials and ongoing support materials. Dedicated support services provide 24/7 technical assistance, remote diagnostics, and proactive system maintenance to ensure continuous operation. Cities worldwide have achieved significant improvements in public safety, operational efficiency, and citizen satisfaction using our smart city solutions. Regular system updates deliver new features, enhanced capabilities, and improved performance to keep your smart city infrastructure at the cutting edge. Getting started is straightforward with our structured implementation process, from initial consultation to full system deployment and training. Minimal technical requirements ensure compatibility with existing infrastructure while providing maximum flexibility for future expansion. Typical implementation timelines range from weeks to months depending on scope, with phased deployment options to minimize operational disruption. Significant cost savings are achieved through improved efficiency, reduced manual monitoring, and optimized resource allocation across city operations. Strategic partnerships with leading technology providers ensure comprehensive solutions and seamless integration with your existing vendor relationships. The MOC1 Solutions Smart City Dashboard represents the future of urban management, combining cutting-edge AI technology with practical, cost-effective implementation. Please click like and share this video, and thank you for visiting. To learn more about our intelligent business solutions, visit MOC1 Solutions at www.MOC1Solutions.net.